Imagine you're opening your JEE score and you see plus 60 marks in your JEE Maths section. Not because you're imagining this, but because you had a systematic plan. You followed it strictly. In this particular video, we are going to discuss this last 30 days maths strategy to master your JEE Mathematics section. We'll divide your entire preparation into 3 phases of 10 days each. And understand that this is not a motivational video without direction. This is a strategy with fire. There is a golden rule, 80-20 rule. Toppers know that 20 to 30% of their syllabus can help them in getting 70 to 80 percentile in JEE Maths section. So we'll be working on that syllabus only. We'll categorize our chapters and let's see how do we divide it into phases. Always remember that accuracy always beats speed and repetition always beats talent, and this is going to be the core of our strategy of the last 30 days. In phase 1, we'll start building the basics and an unshakable confidence by doing those simple chapters which appear almost everywhere, which are connected with all the other chapters, and they can be mastered with some simple learnings or basics. You can see them: quadratic equations, sequence and series, functions, limits and continuity, straight lines and circle. They are straightforward chapters. They can be mastered with some basic revision. And you need to solve level 1 and level 2 difficulty of questions. Don't go for tough or hard questions at this stage. Of course, while revising the chapters and practicing the questions, maintain a formula book, maintain an error book, and also maintain a pattern list. Once the first phase 1, the first 10 days of your last 30 days preparation get over, we'll move to the phase 2. In phase 2, our motive will be minimum efforts and maximum marks. Here, we'll try to study those chapters which are formula driven, which are less heavy in terms of calculation. For example, look at these chapters. They carry the highest weightage in your examination, such as definite integration, differential equations, matrices and determinants, vectors in 3D, probability. So we'll focus on these chapters now in this next phase, phase 2. Of course, once you have revised the chapters, once you have learnt or memorized all the formulae, once you are maintaining all of these in the formula sheet and of course your error book and pattern list, now start solving previous year's questions of these particular chapters, at least last 10 years PYQs. While solving these previous year's questions, if you see any concept appearing more than 5 times, practice like it will appear in the exam, because it will. So here in this phase 2, once you have learnt or moved towards this maximization of your marks, in the third phase, so far in phase 1 and phase 2 where we were learning maths, now we'll start playing with IIT JEE Maths in phase 3. Here, we'll move towards optimization. Here, we'll enter into the performance mode. Every alternative day in phase 3, we are asking you to write a mock, to take a mock test. Analyzing the mock is equally important as taking or writing the test. So when you analyze a mock, do see that where you are committing the errors. Why are you committing those errors? Was it a conceptual error? Was it a silly mistake? Was it a calculation error? Or maybe some questions you were not able to do because you got panicked. So yes, phase 3 is all about attempting as many mocks as possible and analyzing them. Don't try any new book at this stage. Don't try any new chapter at this stage. These are the chapters which will definitely help you if you master them in the manner we are asking you to. Along with this, please remember that at this stage, IIT JEE Mathematics or the syllabus is not your enemy. Carelessness is your enemy. And yes, even at this stage, please understand, or even in life, do remember this, that stay composed, stay calm. This is a trait which you need to master. Even while writing the mocks, you need to work on this trait, this attribute, this skill. Because a stressed mind can even forget formulae, and a composed mind may conquer a lot of things. Remember this. During these days, and even in life, do remember that you don't compromise with your sleep, with your diet. Take adequate sleep, take proper diet. For your body, for your brain to work at its best, these are the required things which it needs, it requires. Don't compromise on them. So this is going to be the strategy. And do remember that IIT JEE does not reward planning, it rewards execution. So now, instead of wasting or saying that I have wasted my year or I have wasted my preparation or I have wasted all this time, still you have this time, still you have these 30 days and your day one starts today, mark it as day 1 and start your preparation as per the strategy. When your final result appears or comes, you will still you will not regret. Rather, you will say that yes, I had a strategy, I had a plan, and I adhered to it. I sticked to it. Don't forget, we are there to assist you with our Elevate JEE crash course, in which we are already providing you the one-shots of all the chapters of physics, chemistry, and maths at absolutely no cost. And along with these, we are also providing you the handwritten notes with the DPPs for your practice. This is available on our PW app, the link to which is already given in the description. You can click on it and access it. PW is an amazing platform from where millions of students are already preparing for different competitive exams and getting the desired success. So I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.